Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to clear the hidden list of words from comments on Facebook web using the latest update. If you've ever added certain words or phrases to hide comments from your post and now want to remove or reset that list, this guide will help you do it in just a few clicks. Let's get to it started. First, open Facebook on your computer using your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving to the next step. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A menu will open with several options. From that list, select Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Settings. This will take you to your main settings page where you can control almost everything about your Facebook profile and account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different categories. Scroll through and click Profile and Tagging. This section manages how people interact with your profile, including comments on your posts. Next, look for the option that says Hide comments containing certain words from your profile. Click on it. You'll see a text box showing all the words or phrases you've added previously to block specific comments. To clear everything in that list, move your pointer to the right side of the text box and click the three dots. Those are the small gray dots next to it. A short menu will appear. From that menu, choose Clear List. Once you confirm, all the words you added before will be deleted and your list will be completely empty. And that's it. You've now cleared the hidden list of words from comments on Facebook. It's a quick and easy process, and following these steps ensures your comment filter starts fresh. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching.